Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cole Sterling. I'm here with Sterling's Makes and Adventures, my YouTube channel name. And this is part 2 of unboxing of MTB. Hopefully you guys will like and subscribe to my channel. Like my episodes, subscribe to my channel. So we are going to get into our first box of Mystery Tackle Box Pros. So, I got 6 left, as I told you guys last time. Nothing else. So, first box. I have not looked in these ones either. This has 6 in it. As in, like the last video, I will keep my prices right here. So I will show you guys the baits. So first off, I got a Weston Swim Hollow Body, Scandinavia. I actually love this. I actually want Danny the Duck. This is just like it, just a fish. It's a hollow body. It has a hook on each side, if you can see it. A nice skirt tail. It is a float. It floats. It's a crazy bluegill. Second, I have Creek Chub Knucklehead Jr. The head actually goes opposite of what the body does. Oh, and it has a nice skirt on the back of that treble hook. Double hook. I think, yeah, this is a popper. I believe, yeah, it's a popper. Third, I have Mustad Ball Jigs. And I actually like this. I've never seen jigs like this. They're like, if you can see this chrome one, it has different design. I've never seen them before like that. And then, last but not least, I have Game Changer Lures Eliminator. And this is green pumpkin. Oh, it's actually green pumpkin with red flake. Yeah, I'm gonna try to wreck them. Alright, so that was box number 1. Like I said, on this card it has more than what's actually in the box. But because my cousin had this, and the ones that he did not want, like he took what he wanted the most, and then he gave the rest to me. No, there are pretty good baits in here. Okay, this is a trout box. This is a What's Inside Trout Pro. My cousin actually wants these. They're mustache worms. They are Trigger X mustache worm. There are 1.5 inches long, and there's 12 of them, and they glow. Made in Indonesia. These, they are best pegger floats. And I think what you do is there's a hole through the whole thing, and you put your line through it, and then it'll sit like this. I don't know actually, but this is just a guess. I'm doing an MTB slam tomorrow. I'll be posting in 2 days. I think, probably. That's what I want to do, is post it 2 days after tomorrow. So, what is that? Friday or Saturday. This is green, yellow, green, orange, orange. So you put it through here, you get a bite, and it stands up and goes down, I believe. It'll go. So anyway, I got Reaction Strike XRM-50 or 65 MD. This dives 3 to 4 or 3 to 6 feet. It's 2.7 inches long. This is Lunker City Grubsters, 2 inches. 10 of them. I actually like this. This is gray on the bottom, blue on top. Those would work good. I got Trout Magnet, Trout Crank XD. So I'm guessing this is for trout. Not sure how much this dives. But actually, that's actually a pretty good box. I'm sad I have to get rid of those mustache worms. So, anyway, third box. Okay, so on to box number 3. This is sent to me. It says it right in my shadow. 12/07/19. My camera's crappy. Actually, this is my bait card this month. It didn't get sent to me, it got sent to my cousin. This is the bait card this month, I guess. This is another trout box. I got a bobber. My cousin actually likes these bobbers, so I'm surprised he didn't take it. Anyway, this is Carlisle Spring Float. The original. Next, I got the Rebel Crawfish. It's called Rebel Teeny Weeny, or Teeny Wee Craw. Next, I got a South Bend Bad Axe Spinner. That's pretty cool for being a South Bend. And then next, I got a South Bend Techni Spinner. That's actually another pretty cool one. So it has a little red design on the end. Next, I have an Impulse. Hold on. Northland Tackle Impulse Water Bug. Those are actually pretty cool. 2 of them have hooks. Next, I got Carl's Amazing Baits. Chihuahua, or however you say that. This is actually pretty awesome. This is actually awesome. This has best. It looks like more jig heads. Yes, best jig heads. This is Thunderhawk Dancer Body. Those are pretty cool. This is Danielson Elwa Spinner. Wow, I actually got a lot of spinners in this box. This is Sliders Jigs. I'd like to get some fish with that. And then last but not least, I got Lunker Hunt Water Bug. I actually like that. They're pretty squishy. So that was actually a pretty good awesomeness box full of awesomeness stuff. So I will put everything back and get the third one. Put that box there, get the 4th box. This was sent out on April 11th of this year. This is panfish and trout. Yeah, the dibble. And then the western side, panfish and trout pro. This is actually another box full of good stuff. First, I got another Danielson Skagit spoon. Ooh, it glows. I got a Basara. Let me find this real quick. Okay, it's the Lucky John Basara. That's actually, I actually like that a lot. Kind of looks like the black one, the Carl's Amazing Baits one last time, in the last box. I got a Mimic Minnow. Northland Tackle Mimic Minnow. These are squishy. Those are actually pretty cool. Next, I got a Whipper K&E Stopper Lures Whipper Snaps. That's actually cool. There you catch crappie, bluegill, trout, perch, white bass, and shad. They're cool. Next, I got a torpedo. Head on. It's a baby torpedo. That red actually looks really awesome in the light. Next, I got Carl's Amazing Baits Grub or Dub Grubs. That's actually pretty cool. Next, I got a Rebel Micro Crawfish. Pretty cool. Next, I got crappie jigs, and it looks like they have little baits that go on the hooks. Maybe? I don't know. Roadrunner Original Jig Heads is next, and but not least. And they're actually pretty heavy. I've never seen them with spinners before. That was actually a pretty awesomeness box. Full box. I love those kind of boxes. Luckily for me, I never have to pay for them. My uncle's been getting them since February of 19. Next box. Put that one over there. This was sent March 7th of this year, 2020. Another panfish and trout. Tips and tricks dibble. Another what's inside. I got a crappie magnet. Crappie King. No. John's. Okay. Fin Commander Crappie Magnet Slab Curly. It's quite a name. Made in the USA. Woohoo. Next I got a Jack Slap. Catch Outdoors Jack Slap. This is actually awesome. It has 3D eyes, and it has 3 line tie positions. I see 2. One right here and one right behind it. I know you might be able to see it. Little black hole. I like shit like that. This is like the other 2 Carl's Amazing Baits. This is Carl's Amazing Baits Morsel. Dies 1 to 4 feet. This is actually looks like a different texture. It's made out of different materials. I like that. Next, I got North Untackle Impulse T-Bones. They look like jacks, if you know what jacks are. Yes, I used to play jacks before. And next, I have a Johnson Crappie Buster Shad Crankbait. That's looks like it'll be a deep diver. Maybe, maybe not. Next, I got a Reaction Strike Bow Spin. Another spinner. I actually been needing spinners, so I actually got what, 5 spinners now so far. I got a Stickies number 6. Aerodine hooks. They have no barb in the back. Just have 1 barb there. And last but not least, I got Crappie King's Marabou Jig. Those are actually cool. They look like the tails are glow in the dark. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Again, I will leave my prices here. Actually, only have a couple seconds left, so I have to hurry. Multi-species. What's inside? First, I have some crappie kickers. They're pretty cool. Some Great Lakes Agitator. That looks cool. I got some worms. Looks like another green pumpkin with red and black flake. Ooh, I think number 6. Success. Sussex. Another spinner. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love these. Make tons of noise. Next I have a cast-in. Or Castic Cowboy Topwater. I got Best Catch More Fish. Nice hooks. Catfish hooks, looks like. Then I got Sweet Spot Tackle Red Worms with Blue Flake. Subscribe and like. Helps me out a lot. Peace.